Elara Caring Services Honest Review Watch before using. Most people assume home health care services are impersonal or inconsistent, but Elara Caring emphasizes personalized, compassionate care for patients of all ages. Elara Caring provides home health, hospice, and personal care services across multiple states in the U.S. One standout feature is their integrated care model, which combines nursing, therapy, and support services tailored to individual patient needs. This approach ensures continuity of care and better outcomes for patients recovering at home or managing chronic conditions. Most people get this wrong. They assume corporate healthcare providers are less attentive. The surprising truth is Elara Caring focuses on local, community-based teams, ensuring each patient receives consistent care from trained professionals. They also provide telehealth options for remote consultations, enhancing accessibility. Another advantage is their flexible service offerings. From short-term recovery support to long-term care plans, families can customize schedules, types of assistance, and therapy options. The company also assists with insurance navigation, helping families maximize benefits. However, there are considerations. Availability may vary depending on location, and some specialized services could have waiting periods. It's important to verify insurance coverage and costs before starting care. In conclusion, Elara Caring is an excellent choice for families seeking professional, compassionate home health care. Their patient-centered approach, flexible services, and integrated care model make managing health at home much easier. Subscribe for more honest healthcare service reviews before choosing home care for your loved ones.